as you can see, this young boy, right? He is experiencing some breakouts, all right, and very skin condition not stable, unstable skin. So after 2 weeks use, he just used once a week, once a day. Sorry, it's once a day. And then after 2 weeks use, right, you can see the breakouts is like significantly like subside, you know. So and this young boy, because he likes the outdoor activities, so always like exposed under the sun. Okay, so you can see his skin is really after 2 weeks result is very I mean convincing. Okay, so and then this another uh this testimony, and he used only about like a month. Okay, you can see this part, the cheeks, right? The skin is lighter. The skin lighter, I mean much lighter and more brighter the skin. The skin tone appears like can see more glowing, right? Only 1 month use. All right. So you just follow the steps and follow I mean the routine. You use it and you can see the results. Right. So and this right is 1.5 months use. You can see the pores very big and very like the texture very rough. So you can see after 1.5 months, like about I can say 80 to 90% improve, right? The pores smaller and the skin texture is smoother. Okay. Another amazing testimony, only 9 days. Only 9 days use, right? So you can see the pores and the I mean the appearance all smoother and brighter. Only 9 days. Okay.
Sa picture na to, the age spots has been lessened, naging finer ang mga pores. And this one naman has a lid lifting effect. As you can see, tingnan mo yung lid nito on the left compared to the right. And then the crow's feet, nawala siya on the other side. And then for all of you who has melasma, ito po common po ito sa mga light skin, the age spots has been reduced. And according to the doctors that has given us training, once it's gone, hindi na po siya bumabalik. Because naturally, the skin is being repaired. Yung po ang importante. So ito naman po, as you can see, age spots, finer texture, less laugh lines, plumper skin. Pag hindi po hydrated ang skin natin, it's flat. So we need hydration. That's why we have many products, because we believe in the layering of products and trapping the moisture inside the skin. Yan po. And then, ito po, whether you're a baby or 80, pwede pong magkaroon ng improvement pa rin ang skin. Puffiness of the skin will be reduced, and even yung eye bags is significantly lessened, and even the dark under eye circles. Actually, kung makikita niyo po ito, maputi siya dito, tapos the other picture, tan na siya. Because this lady po, according to the one who took it, takot po siyang lumabas. Okay? So kaya po siya ganyan, kasi baka akalain nila abused siya dahil sa itsura ng mata niya. But because of the product, imagine, she was able to go out na, magkaroon na ng masilayan na siya ng init ng araw, and make her look healthy. So, ngayon po, ito naman ang personal experience ko with the product. Kasi, syempre, no, whatever other people say, you want to have your own personal testimony of the product. So, here is my arm. Nagpahid po ako ng lotion yan. And then, immediately, ay nangati ako. Sabi ko, Vaseline po yung ginamit ko. Naiwan sa kotse. So, pagpahid ko, nag-react kagad po yung balat ko. As you can see here in 3 o'clock picture. And then, mayroon po kaming daladalang demo kit eh. So, we always have that para anytime we can demo. So, ang ginamit ko po is the Too Faced Oil Mist, which is rich in vitamin C. I sprayed it on, and then I also put the Calming Balance Gel, which has the 24 karat gold flakes. It's good for itching, drying up pimple, and also for burns and itchiness. So yan po, yan ang pinahid ko. After 5 minutes, ito na po yung braso ko. After 10 minutes, bumalik na po sa normal. So, doon ko naisip na, yes, what they claim about anti-inflammatory and healing, eto po, I personally experienced it. And then also with my daughter, sino po dito yung may anak, lalo na mga teenager, ano po yung problema nila? Ang problema po nila ay acne, di ba? So my daughter buys this fairy skin product. Okay, I'm sorry po to mention the product, no? It's 300 pesos isang set. May sabon and other four steps sila. But the thing is, ang nangyari sa anak ko is nagkaroon siya ng ganito, nag-react yung balat niya, yung pimple niya. So, hindi na siya makalabas ng bahay. Sabi niya, hindi ako makakapunta sa church activity, ayokong lumabas ng ganito na yung mukha ko. So, sabi ko sa kanya, okay, try natin yung product. Ayaw pa niya una, but sabi ko, binida ko lahat ng mga properties ng products at kinompare ko dun sa properties na dun sa chemicals na meron yung ginagamit siya. So, ginamit niya. At 9 o'clock, nag-wash siya, ginamit niya yung mga products, wash, and then naglagay ng Calming Balance Gel. And then sabi ko, picturean. So, kaya po ito yung may picture na to. Okay? May Calming Balance Gel na yan. Pero pinakomplete ko po sa kanya ang lahat ng products. Okay? Until dun sa Sun Protect. And then, umalis kami the whole day. Pagbalik namin sa bahay, 6 p.m., wala pa, hindi pa siya nagsi-second wash nito. I checked her skin. Nakita nyo naman po yung inflammation. Nag-reduce. Actually, nawala. Nakita nyo rin po yung mga pimples niya. Humupa. Actually, I took this not to post it to show. Kasi gusto ko siya mismo yung makakita. Gusto ko siyang ma-convince na the product works. So that's why I took a picture of this. So yan po yung at 6 p.m. So ngayon, continuous na siyang ginagamit and I will take a picture again after 3 days, after 5 days. So that's my personal experience with the products. That's why I'm so excited. I-share to sa inyo kasi baka meron din kayong ganitong story. Because now, skincare is not a vanity anymore. It's a necessity. And luxurious skincare is available in Riman because luxury is made possible for everyday people, mga katulad natin. Hindi na lang po yan for the chosen few. Healthy looking skin can be achieved.